Hi everyone, I am Teacher Will and welcome back to our Statistics and Probability subject. This is the third video of Module 1, Random Variable and Probability Distribution. And this will be the Probability Distribution lesson part 2. So today we will learn about the basic concepts on how we can apply probability distribution in interpreting data. Alright, so before we begin, let's try this activity. And tingnan natin kung kaya ba natin hanapin yung mga probabilities na to out of this data here in our probability distribution. Alright, for letter A, we are looking for the probability with the value of 8. So, from this distribution, ang value na 8, ang kanya corresponding probability is 0.6. 0.6. Okay, so, sulat natin yan. So, that is 0.06. Next, for letter B, we are looking for the probability with the value z is equal to 14. So, ano yung probability niya? Itong 0.28. Okay. Alright, so next, we are looking for the sum. Okay, sum po ha, ng probability ng 2 at probability ng 10. So, ang probability ng 2 ay 0.07. Ang probability ng 10 is 0.14. So, isulat lang natin yan. 0.07 plus 0.14. So, that is equal to 0.21. So, 0.21 yung probability ng pinagsamang 2 at 10. Okay? Next, yung letter D naman natin, we are looking for the sum ulit ng probability ng 4 at ng 10. So, 0.23 at 0.14. So, pag-add lang natin. 0.23 plus 0.14. So, that is equal to, pag-add lang natin, 4 plus 3 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 0.37. Next, z less than or equal to 6. Ang equal to 6 ay ito. So, hinahanap ito, equal to 6, at yung less than sa kanya. So, mas baba sa kanya, which is ito, 4 at 2. So, ito yung mga probabilities na yun. So, kailangan natin yung equal sa 6 at yung mas baba sa kanya. So, meaning, hinahanap lahat yan. Kaya ipag-plus lang din natin. So, that is 0.09 plus 0.07 plus 0.23. So, that is equal to 0.30. Okay. Next, we are looking for the probability ng z less than 16. Less than 16. Ito lahat yon. Pero sabi niya, greater than 8. Less than 16. Okay, greater than 8. So, ito yung lahat ng greater than 8 na less than 16. Ito nga sa gitna nila. Okay, so 10, 12, at 14. Ipag-add-add lang po natin lahat ng kanilang probabilities. Okay. That is 0.14 para kay 10, plus 0.12 para kay 12, at 0.28 naman para kay, nakita sa video, para kay 14. So, pag pinag-add-add natin yan, that is equal to 0.54. Alright, so 0.54. Yan lang. So, kaya-kaya naman. So, let's start with our first. Let's read our first example. Golden's Bakery is known for its famous Filipino delicacies. Among these foods, which is native delicious food called kakanin, is a leche fruto. The bake shop owner recorded the number of boxes of leche fruto that were delivered each day. The number of boxes delivered for 10 days is shown below. So, ito yung data niya. So, in 10 days, ito yung kanyang mga na-deliver. Alright, so based on the given problem, let's observe, analyze, and answer the following questions. Alright, so before we proceed on our first question, let's construct first probability distribution out of this data we have. Okay? So, ano nga ba ang probability distribution? May two columns tayo nun. Yung first column are the random variable, the values of your random variable, and the second column is its corresponding probabilities. Yan. There you go. So, isulat na natin lahat ng random value ng random variable natin. So, we have, mas maganda kung from smallest to highest na yung gagawin natin. So, meron tayo ditong 35. Oh, 35. May 35 tayo. Meron ding 37. Meron ding 40. Tapos, meron ding 42. Yan, 42. Meron ding 45. At last, meron 50. So, yan yung lahat ng values. So, lahat ng naging bilang ng boxes na delivered within the 10 days. Okay po? So, let's get the probability. So, sa 35, ito lang. So, bali, 1 out of 10 days lang siya nagkaroon ng delivery na 35 boxes. So, 1 out of 10 lang. Next, 37. So, merong 1 at merong 2. So, dalawa out of 10 days. Nakapag-deliver siya ng 37 boxes. Next, 40. We have 1. So, lang. So, 1 over 10 lang ulit. Then, 42, we have 1, 2, dalawa lang din. Dalawa lang din, ah. So, 2 out of 10 lang din. Yan. Then, 45, we have 1, 2, 3. So, tatlo siya. So, 3 over 10. Then, lastly, 50. Ayan. May isa lang din. So, tingnan natin kung kompleto na. Bilangin natin. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10 out of 10 naman yung total ng ating probability. So, let's proceed na with to answer our question. Okay, so first question, what is the probability that 40 or more boxes will be delivered on a particular day? Okay, let's check the our probability distribution. Kasi dito natin titignan. Ayan, so 40 or more boxes. So, we are referring dito sa 40 na to at yung mas mataas na kanya. More and no more. So, ito ang kailangan. So, itong 40 at yung more, itong value ang kailangan natin probability. Kasi ang hinahanap, what is the probability? Okay? 40 or more boxes. So, ipag-add-add lang din natin. So, P, sige, sulat muna natin yung notation. So, hinahanap po natin ay 40 equal or more boxes. Ayan. So, greater than or equal to 40. So, ang kailangan natin ay yung P, yung probability ng 40, yung probability ng 42, ano pa ba yung mata sa kanya? Probability ng 45, at yung probability ng, okay, 52 ha guys, 50 yan, 50. Ng 50. Ayan. So, pag-add lang natin, we have 1 over 10. Sorry. We have 1 over 10 plus ang 2 over 10 plus ang 45 natin is 3 over 10. At ang 50 natin is 1 over 10. So, pag-add lang natin, same denominator. So, we have 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So, 7 over 10 ang probability na we will get 40 or more boxes. Or in percentage, that will give us 0.7. 0.7 or 70%. 70% po yung chance or probability that we will get 40 or more boxes. Okay. Right. So next question, what is the probability that the number of boxes will be delivered? Delivered will be at least 37 but not more than 50. So ano kaya ibig sabihin? So let's see this. Balik pa rin tayo dun sa ating probability distribution kasi doon natin ibabase. So ang tinatanong is at least 37. Pag sinabi natin at least, pinakamababa na yung 37. Ay, pinakamababa na yung 37. So, ito na yung pinakamababa. So, ibig sabihin na kailangan ay yung nasa mas mataas sa kanya. But again, not more than 50. So, 50 lang naman yung pinakahuli. 50 to ha guys, 50. Na-type po ako. Yan, 50 po yan. Yan, 50 yan. So, 50 lang din naman talaga yung pinakamataas. Wala namang tataas ng 50. Kaya, yan. So, kasama yan lahat. Kasama yan. At least 37. So, pinakamababa yung 37, kaya kasama po siya. Kasama siya sa at least. Okay? So, susulat lang natin siya in notation. We have so again at least. So, kasama ang 37. Equal sa 37. And again, at least is greater than. Mas mataas kay 37. And of course, syempre, hanggang 50 lang naman yung data natin kasi dito nga pagpapasahin. Kahit hindi mo nabanggitin dyan na more than 50. Okay? Yan. So, kailangan lang natin ipag-add-add na naman lahat ng ito. Yan, lahat ng probabilities na yun. So, yung P37 plus P40 plus P42 plus P45 and plus P50. Okay, P50. Yan. So, ipag-add lang natin lahat ng probabilities niya. 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 3 over 10 plus 1 over 10. So, napakadali lang naman i-add yan dahil same lang naman siya na denominator. So, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1 is 9. So, 9 out of 10. 9 over 10. So, or that is 0.9 or 90%. Same lang po yan ang ibig sabihin. Ang probability is 9 over 10 or 0.9 or 90%. Okay? So, the interpretation para ng data natin. So, interpretation, we have, there are 0.8. Okay. There is a typo here. Typo po ito. Ayan. Mali. 0.9 po yan. 0.9. Yeah, 0.9. There are 0.9 chance that the number of boxes will be delivered will be at least 37 but not more than 50. Alright, so next problem, what is the probability that at most 40 boxes will be delivered on a particular day? Yeah, at most naman ang ginamit ditong word. Okay. So let's go back with our probability distribution. Ito siya. Ay, okay. Lumabas na tuloy yung interpretation. Okay, sige, let's compute. Then, again, we are looking for the probability ng at most 40 boxes. At most. Most 40. So, pag sinabi natin at most, pinakamataas na yung 40. So, ibig sabihin, kasama pa yung 40 kasi siya na yung pinakamataas. No? Pinakamataas na siya, ibig sabihin na kailangan natin ay mas mababa pa sa kanya. Hindi pwede si 42 kasi mas mataas na si 42 kay 40. Kasi ang sabi lang dito, pinakamataas na si 40. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin is yung less than or equal kay 40. Yan. So, yun po ay probability ng 40 at yung probability ng 37 at yung probability ng 35. So, ipag-add lang natin 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10. Okay? So, that will give us 4. 4 out of 10 or that is 0.48 or 40%. So, there are 0.4 chance or 40% chance that at most 40 boxes will be delivered in a day. Okay po? Alright, so next problem, find the probability of x less than or equal to 40. Tingnan natin yung probability. 45 pala, 45. So, ito yung hinahanap. Meaning, equal may sabi itong equal. So, kasama to. Tapos, less than sa kanya. So, lahat ng mas mababa sa kanya. Yan. So, sulat natin. So, kailangan ay P45 plus the P42 plus P40 plus P37 plus P35. So, ipag-add lang natin yung mga yan. That will give us 3 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10 plus 2 over 10 plus 1 over 10. Pag-add lang po natin lahat ng kanilang probabilities. So, that will give us 9 over 10. 4.9 or 90%. Okay? So, for the interpretation, we can say, wala na naman ang ating cursor. There are 90.90 probability that less than or equal to 45 boxes will be delivered in a particular day. Okay? Okay, so next naman, ang hinahanap po ay yung sum ng probability ng 40 at ng ng 50. So, meaning, let's go back with the probability distribution. Ayan. So, ang hinahanap ko ay itong, again, 50 po yan itong 50 at saka itong 40. So, ipag-add lang natin siya. 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. Okay? Yeah. That is equal to 2 over 10. 2 over 10. So, meaning, there are 0.2 chance that 40 and 50 boxes will be delivered in particular. So, example number 2. The probabilities that a customer buys 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 items in a convenience store has the following probability distribution. So, 5, 0.25, 6, 0.12, 7, 0.28, 8, 0.15, and 9.9. So, what is the probability that a customer will buy at least 6 items? When we say at least na naman po at least, pinakamababa na po yung 6. Okay? At least, pinakamababa na po yung 6. Okay? So, kailangan natin ngayon, since ito na yung pinakamababa, ibig sabihin hindi na po ito kasama. So, lahat na po ng yan ang hinahanap. Diba? So, complete lang natin. Let's write the notation, at least. We have x greater than or equal to 6. So, pag-add lang po natin yung p, 6, yung p of 7, I mean, yung probability ng 8, yung probability ng 9. Okay? So, that's 0.12, 0.28, 0.15, 0.20. Ayan. So, ipag-add lang natin sila, which is 0.75. So, yan na. So, for the interpretation, we can say na there are 0.75 probability that a customer will buy at least 6 items in the convenience store. Alright, for letter D, what is the probability that a customer will buy at most 7 items? Most. So, ibig sabihin, pinakamataas na yung 7 items. So, kung pinakamataas na ang 7 items, hindi nakasama itong 0.8. Okay po. So, ito na yung pinakamataas. Hindi nakasama yung 0.8 at 0.8 kasi ito na yung pinakamataas. So, ang hinahanap natin ay lahat ng nasa baba natin. So, in notation, we are looking for less than or equal sa 7. So, ipag-add lang natin yung probability ng 7, probability ng 6, at probability ng 5. Ayan po. Now, then, that is 0.28 plus 0.12 plus 0.25. Alright, so yung answer po ay 0.65. There are 0.65 probability that a customer will buy at least 7 items in a convenience store. See kung meron pa isang example. Alright, so yun na pala yung last. And, of course, meron pa susunod na video dito about naman dun sa pinaka-last na topic natin, getting the mean and the variance of probability distribution. All about probability distribution naman yun. So, part 3 na yun ng about probability distribution. Okay? So, see you. And again, thank you. Make sure to hit the notification bell to get updated with our lessons.